Hello everyone. In this video I would like to show you how you can replace the cabin filter of Volkswagen Up. The cabin filter is located under the front passenger seat, under the glove department. It is located here. This is the cabin filter. To replace it I need some more lights, so I will take my back lights, interior backlight. I'll put it here so that I can see exactly what's happening. So there are two plastic clips here. This one, I don't know if you can see it, here and on the opposite side, which we need to press and pull down in order to release the plastic cover. Then you have to pull it towards you to remove the cover. Let me show the cover. These are the plastic clips that are holding the cover, and this is holding the other side. Now to remove the filter, we need just to pull down the filter. It's a carbon filter, so it's supposed to be a little bit black. Try to pull it. It fits very well on the holder. So I have released one on the side. Then just pull down the filter, and this is the filter. This is the filter. It is carbon filter, so it's supposed to be like this. In order to change it, you just need to throw this away or recycle it. I don't know if that's recycled or not, and pull it back on its original position. So to mount it back, you need to insert the filter on the plastic cover here on one side, and then the other side. Pull back the filter. Then you have to clip first this here. Let me see if you can see that. Is you need to put first this side, then push up. Let me use my two hands. It's not. It is hard here. It's very comfortable place to. I will push the filter a little bit more upwards. Then it needs to clip before it's completely okay. Clips. Now it's really steady, and this is how easy it is to remove the filter. So that's it for this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon.